Hello and welcome to a new video on the Jeremy Whatevs channel. I am your host, Jeremy Knight. Please like this video. Hello. I know it's been a while since I've done a video for this channel, but I wanted to do something fun, so I thought I would do a video for this channel, since this channel is where I keep all my fun videos. All the videos I do just for fun, this is the channel for that. So here's a new video. And we're doing another Do Not Open Toy review. And as promised, we will be reviewing some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle toys. Which, to save myself some breath, I will be referring to them as TMNT toys. Okay? Okay, next up in this TMNT toy review, we have another turtle from the Mutant Mayhem movie. We have Donatello. So, yeah, Donatello. Once again, there's a part of the back of the box that I won't be reading because I read it in the previous video. So, yeah, we'll just start with Donatello. Donnie is devastatingly smart and not afraid to let you know it. His intellectual self-assuredness may come across as arrogance, but it's just that his brain is thinking so many steps ahead that he's paralyzed with indecision. Weapons: bow staff. Dream: to be a game developer by day, K-pop star by night. Yeah, the K-pop star part probably never gonna happen. So that's Donatello. Comes with baby form and weapons. And for some reason, they gave him speakers and a cell phone in his belt. And this version of Donatello wears glasses, because of course he does. What I'm wondering is, what was that trip to the optometrist look like? I mean, you have a human-sized turtle come into your eye doctor office trying to get glasses. Yeah, that's going to go off well. So what did that trip to the eye doctor look like? Must have been hilarious. That's Donatello. I have this toy because I'm a collector. You can get it for your kid if you want to. Good toy. Get the toy. Okay? Okay, next up in this TMNT toy review, we have the last of the turtles. And the last of my toys that I'll be reviewing, well, for these videos. I might try to find some other toys for different videos. But anyways, we have another Mutant Mayhem toy from the Mutant Mayhem movie. We have Michelangelo. So this is Michelangelo, the last of the turtles, because there's only 4 turtles. Of course, there's that one part on the box that I won't be reading because I read it in a previous video. But let's start with the part that I should read. Michelangelo. Mikey's the comedian. Too bad his brothers don't think he's that funny. He might not be the best at ninjutsu, or waking up on time, or even hygiene, but you can always count on Mikey's positive attitude. Weapons. Nunchaku. Dream. To be a stand-up comedian. Yeah, that will probably work out well for him. So Michelangelo comes with his nunchucks right here, and the baby form and some other weapons. So yeah, that's Michelangelo. Good toy. I got it because I'm a collector. And yeah, I really like getting toys that remind me of nostalgia from my childhood. Even though this is from the recent movie, it still reminds me of nostalgia from my childhood. Because, yeah, I grew up with the Turtles too. We all did. Because they keep on remaking them. So, yeah. That's Michelangelo. Get this toy if you're a collector, or get it for your kid. Just get the toy. It's a good toy, okay? That's it. That's all the toys. Those were some good toys, and they were definitely good to get if you're a collector or if you want some toys for your kids. So, yeah, get them. They're good toys. See you in my next video, okay? Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the YouTube things. Please like this video. This has been a video on the Jeremy Whatevs channel. I am your host, Jeremy Knight, and I just want to say, see you next time.